Hey guys, my name is Guna. Welcome to my channel where I post random content. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the dashboard trim / veneer on the 3rd generation Skoda Fabia. So it's made up of 3 parts. There's this main one which starts on the passenger side on this left-hand drive model and goes around the infotainment system and ends here. Then there's this part, the smaller piece on the driver's side. And then there's this little tiny piece around or underneath the instrument binnacle. So this is the easy part. I've actually done it for you. So this is the upgraded piece. It's this brushed metal finish, whereas the car actually came with this cheap, scratchy plastic one. I've already done this because it was easy, but I've left it actually not completely finished. As you can see, it's not pushed in properly because I wanted to show how it's done. Basically, you just open the glove box, reach in here and just pull it out. Requires some effort obviously, but you don't have to be worried about breaking any pins or anything. It's relatively robust. Doesn't require any screws, any glue, no adhesive, it's just clips. So just tug it out. This whole thing has clips, and just pull it out, throw it away, and just align the new one with the clips, and then finally just push it in, and that's it. So this is the easy one, no problem. The question really is about how you do the driver's side one, because there's no panel underneath to grip. But I've decided that I'll just use a small flat screwdriver. Can we get a focus on this? Okay, anyway, so just push this underneath and you just try to pop it, right? Don't obviously damage the air vent next to it. We don't want to turn this into an expensive repair. So it turns out it isn't a single hand job, so I just had to put the camera down. But basically now you can see the panel is loose, almost there. I've got it open on several places. Now you just tug it out and be careful not to damage the dashboard underneath. I mean, it is still hard plastic, it won't get scratched easily, but just a point of, warning. Anyway, so now we have the old piece out and we have the new one here. As you can see, my motivation behind wanting to upgrade, because this is just hard plastic. This is, much more premium feeling. Just listen how it sounds, whereas this is hard plastic. Anyway, popping it back in is pretty easy. You just line it up. The shape fits perfectly. There's no need to cut or, anything like that. And then you just push in it, and then you just sort of push it in, clip after clip. Might take a little adjustment here and there, depends on how well you positioned it the first time. And we are done. See, it's in now. So now there is actually this third part as well. I just couldn't find it on eBay used, and I wasn't looking to spend a ton at the dealership. So I'm choosing to leave it as it is, because let's be honest, when you're driving, you're not really going to see it. When you're getting in and out, this is what you see first. This is what your passengers see. So I'm leaving this part untouched, although I guess if you want to be perfect, you would have to replace it. But I imagine it's also fairly easy. Just, insert the screwdriver, a flat one, and, just remove it if you're looking to replace that one. I am not. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.